Welcome back to my channel. Hello, my dear viewers. Today I'm going to teach you this superb haircut and also the face framing layers. This looks stunning on all types of faces. In this haircut, the length of the hair can also be maintained. We don't need to cut the hair too short. As you can see, this haircut looks stunning. It looks gorgeous. So let us start. First of all, make two sections from the center. Then comb the hair very properly. Find out the shortest point. This shortest point is your guideline. Then cut the hair straight from the shortest point to the longest point. Then comb the hair one more time to find out any remaining hair which were not cut before. Now you have to cut them very properly. Cut the hair straight. Whichever hair are left which are not cut straight, cut them very properly. Now we have to do the same with the second side. Pick up the second section, comb it straight, find out the shortest and the longest point, match the longest point with the shortest. When you leave the hair down, you will see beautiful layers. Each layer is clearly visible. The layered haircut is ready. Each layer is visible clearly. Now for the face framing layers, you will have to make ear to ear parting. As you can see clearly, the ear to ear parting is ready. So now bring the hair in front of the client's face. The client's neck should be kept totally straight. Then comb the hair, find out the shortest and the longest point. We have found the shortest and the longest point. Now you have to match the longest point with the shortest. Cut the hair straight. When you leave the hair, you can see the gorgeous results. All the layers are clearly visible. After setting the hair will look like this. You can set the hair with the help of a rod. You can do inward or the outward turns as you wish. So this is the result. The beautiful, beautiful, pretty hair for all types of faces. You will love this haircut, dear viewers. This is the best technique for perfect layers. Comment down below about the haircut. Like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Till then, bye bye.